Oh, okay, for today I wanted to publish only last video tutorial. It is relating to keyboard shortcuts. You can edit keyboard shortcuts when you go to File, Preferences, Keyboard Mapping. Interaction mode you can choose. But when you go to Keyboard Mapping, I have chosen my custom. I also have edited shortcut keyboard, already edited with my own keyboard shortcuts when you go to last. Those files are stored in that catalog when you go to username. I believe when you go to Autodesk, Softimage, Data, Preferences, no, I think I have to go probably to Application, Key Maps. That folder does not exist. It will create automatically, but when you see key maps, you can copy those files. This will not come up. For example, I will add a new keyboard shortcut. My 2024. But you will have to edit from the beginning. For example, like add the edge tool. By left mouse button, you drag to letter K. You can also use extrude. Extrude condensation axis when you press Alt. When you press Alt and you drag to X, now we have assigned another shortcut keyboard. What I was thinking, you can also assign to keyboard shortcut to raycast polygon selection. When you press M on your keyboard, instead of clicking here, you can go to Preferences. I will check the name of this raycast polygon selection mode, but this shortcut keyboard, in my case it is working because I assigned already, but I will show you keyboard mapping. I wish I could make this window a little bit bigger. View in browser. This is the default shortcut keyboard for tool add edge tool. But actually this came up already. Oh, I could actually to save to workable format document. Because I like using keyboard shortcuts, people. And okay, what we have here? I was thinking. Oh, let's go to raycast polygon selection. Raycast edge selection. Maybe I will assign to Y. Y is from raycast. Oh, I already assigned. Let's check Y lecture. Okay, you can see I pressed Y button and I'm able to select this. When you press one specific button on your keyboard, it is between Alt and between FN button and between Control button, all button which your keyboard shows. When you see Shift button on your keyboard, but it is below Shift button next to Control button, and this window will come up. Another thing I wanted to show you that you can copy your keyboard shortcuts. But you have to quit application for you to see keyboard shortcuts. For example, if you install Windows from the beginning, you can still have on your drive keyboard shortcuts. Because sometimes the drive may fail and you would have to configure everything from the beginning. Okay, I will show you. Anytime when you copy files to that catalog, when you go to Autodesk Softimage 2015, and you go to application, and this folder will not exist until you create your custom keyboard shortcut. You have to use new keyboard shortcuts for folder to come up. Also, I will check if I added to level, because I believe, I didn't assign. You hold my left mouse button and you drag here. I will check level command. If command level works just fine. I just have to check one of the objects. I'm just thinking. I will check this object because I already edited the polygon. When you press B, you can see I was pressing B on my keyboard, and level works okay. I didn't have to go to menu, because this saves lots of time when you try to level edges. What we got here? I like some of the tools which are located here. I don't use them very often, only sometimes, but they can be useful. Okay, you just have to copy those files. I tell you, you copy key maps folder to that catalog. Because after when you install by default, this doesn't exist, and you can copy entire folder with shortcut keyboard files, and you will be able to have your settings preserved, and you can use shortcuts. Okay, add edge tool. I already assigned the K button on my keyboard. I didn't have to go, for example, here, because this saves a lot of time. You can see this was completely different keyboard. I assigned already. That tool is quite interesting. For knife tool, I still didn't assign keyboard shortcuts because I have to check all of them. You can see I already assigned. In Blender, I use a similar command in Blender. Okay, after that, I can remove all history. Sometimes it is useful to freeze all transforms and this because this will fix your problem with Gizmo because before using this utility, my Gizmo did not display correctly. Okay, I hope you like my video tutorial and have a nice evening. That was my last video for today because I have to go to sleep and I will have to wake up 8:30 in the morning in order to go to church. See you guys.